I am updating my channel, everyone. So on this channel, I have been teaching storytelling and writing mechanics, and I would still like to do that. However, I would like to take a different approach. When I was majoring in video game design and media, I had a tiny little blog about video game writing. And on that blog, I would study writing mechanics in video games, such as storyboarding, plot, and character arcs. So, inspired by my past self, I've decided that I would like to update my channel a bit and use video games as a medium to study different parts of fiction writing, such as storytelling, plot, character development, dialogue, and so forth. So, going forward, I would like to do a combination of video essays related to video games and how their storytelling mechanics can transfer over to fiction writing, as well as creating some different videos and vlogs about my life as a romance author who is inspired by romantic video games. All the books that I have written are inspired by video games, and this particular series, the Choose the Ending series, is inspired by the Otome video game format. So I just want to connect with more gamers slash writers who are interested in talking about games and who are interested in talking about fiction writing. I'd also like to use this channel to get all of you more involved in the writing process. I am working on some ideas for some live writing sessions, as well as some writing challenges, other things that will help you improve your writing craft. I'm going to leave up all of my old videos about the basics of writing because I still believe they're very important if you are a beginning writer. Those videos include things such as choosing your point of view, basics of dialogue, the basics of sentence and paragraph structures. I'll still touch upon those things in the upcoming videos, but I will primarily be focusing on storytelling as a whole. So if you are a storyteller looking to improve your craft, or you just really like games and you want to stick around and talk about the stories and characters of your favorite games, I invite you to hang out at my channel and we will talk about those things together. I look forward to this new channel adventure together. If there are any games that you recommend that I take a look at, go ahead and comment below. I particularly like romantic games and especially Otome games. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. I think you'll enjoy where this is heading, so go ahead and stick around and I will see you in the next video. Until the next video, I will see you tigers later. Keep being beautiful beasts and peace.